Hi, now I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code in your system and I'm using Mac, so I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code in Mac operating system. So let me search Visual Studio Code. Let's go to the here is the download for Mac. So let me go to the download. This is the versions for Mac and this is for Windows. So and this is for Debian Ubuntu. So I'm going to install this version for my Mac. So it's the downloading. It's downloaded, so let's open it. Yes, so it's downloaded now. So let it move it to the application. So my Visual Studio Code is in the app. So if I click on it, it will open Visual Studio Code. Yeah, so my Visual Studio Code is now ready to use. So I can open any folder and I can do our coding here, whatever I wish I can do now. Thank you.